Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Filing an uncontested divorce in Florida. This is how you do it. An uncontested divorce happens when both spouses agree on all terms. This includes property, debts, and any issues about children. It is usually faster, less expensive, and less stressful than a contested divorce. To qualify, one spouse must have lived in Florida for at least 6 months before filing. Both parties must also agree on every single detail of their divorce. First, you need to gather the correct forms. You can find these forms on the Florida Court's website, or at your local clerk of court. Key forms include the Petition for Dissolution of Marriage, which has versions for cases with or without children. You will also need a Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act (UCCJA) affidavit if you have children. A financial affidavit is mandatory for both parties. The Marital Settlement Agreement is also very important. Next, you must carefully fill out all forms. Read every instruction. Make sure all information is accurate and complete. Both spouses will need to sign many of these forms. Some forms require notarization, so plan for that. Do not leave any blank spaces unless the instructions say to. If you are unsure about a question, seek help from the clerk of court or a legal aid service. Then, you file your completed forms. Take them to the clerk of court in the county where you or your spouse lives. There is a filing fee for divorce cases. If you cannot afford this fee, you can apply for an indigent status application, also known as a fee waiver. For an uncontested divorce, the process for serving papers is simpler. The spouse who is not filing, the respondent, can sign a waiver of service of process. This means a sheriff or process server does not need to formally deliver the papers. It saves time and money. Financial disclosures are a required step. Both parties must exchange detailed financial information. This includes income, assets, liabilities, and expenses. Even in an uncontested case, this exchange is typically mandatory, though sometimes it can be waived by mutual agreement and court approval. The Marital Settlement Agreement is the core document. This legally binding agreement outlines how all assets and debts will be divided. If you have children, it will include a comprehensive parenting plan. This plan covers parental responsibility, time-sharing schedules, and child support calculations. It also addresses any alimony agreements. Both spouses must sign and notarize this document. Finally, after all forms are filed and reviewed, you will likely attend a brief final hearing. A judge will examine all your paperwork and the marital settlement agreement. If everything is in order and fair, the judge will sign the final judgment of dissolution of marriage. This officially ends your marriage. Sometimes, if all paperwork is perfectly in order and signed, a judge may grant the divorce without a hearing, but a hearing is common, especially with children. Remember, even in an uncontested divorce, accuracy is crucial. Mistakes can cause significant delays. Thank you for watching this guide on filing an uncontested divorce in Florida. I hope this information helps you navigate the process smoothly. Please subscribe to our channel for more helpful legal content and hit the like button if this video was useful to you. We appreciate your support.